Hello, and in this training video we will cover administration basics. To access the administration module, you'll select the gear icon. I will be covering information in the general portion of administration. To access this, just select the word general. We will start with basic information. Within this, you will see a few different fields. The first one is your ID. This is your Revolution EHR database ID number. It is not editable. Next is your practice name. You want to make sure that this is accurate. If not, simply make your change as needed and click Save to update that. You will notice a success modal in the top right, letting you know that it was successfully updated. Next is your NPI number. This is your group or business NPI number and not your individual NPI number. Your FEIN number will be your tax identification number. And lastly, your website URL. Locations will be covered in a different video. Let's head on into your contacts. The names that appear within your contacts area will be the name that was set up originally within the production site. Once you have added your employees, you may select the accurate employee for each category. Simply select the down arrow, choose the employee, and click Save. You will also get a success message here. In security, on the left you have your password policy. Revolution EHR has set the minimum length of a password at 8. You cannot decrease this number, but you may increase it as necessary. The next field is the minimum number of numbers in the password. It is set at 0, so right now you do not need to have a numerical character in your password. The next one is the number of uppercase characters, then your lowercase characters, and any special characters. If you want your employees to have a password that is different from the last password, you can go ahead and increase this as well. This will not let them use the same 1 password, 2 passwords, 3 passwords, so on and so forth. Password expires allows you to enter a length of time that the password is valid. We recommend that you have your passwords expire for security reasons. To select this, you will simply select the checkbox, and here you can select the amount of days that password is valid. If you do not want to use this option, you'll simply uncheckmark the box. On the right-hand side, you will notice your idle timeout. This is the amount of time the app will stay open when it is not in use before the user is locked out. If a user is locked out, they will need to re-enter their password. This will take the user back to where they were in the app before they were locked out. If the user has not logged back in within 30 minutes of being locked, they will need to completely re-enter their username and password. They will start back at the home dashboard. We recommend you set your idle timeout to 5 or 10 minutes for security reasons. Any changes you make, you want to make sure to click Save, and you'll get your success modal. Practice preferences is covered in a different video. Let's look at agreements. Agreements will allow you to look at your software service agreement and your business associate agreement. You can select the print button to the right of either one of them to print or view these agreements. This completes our video on administration.